How to download from Spotify or how to get Spotify Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download songs on Spotify and how you can get the Spotify Premium. If you open up Spotify here app, you'll get an interface like this. Make sure you're logged into your account. Head into the album that you want to download song of, and then as soon as you open up the album, you'll find the heart icon there to like the album, and beside it you'll find the download icon. If you tap on download icon, you'll be able to download the songs from it. However, you'll need to have the premium, as you know. What you want to do is simply tap on the explore premium option and you'll be headed into get premium option. However, if you are on home page and you want to get premium first, simply tap on the premium option at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be headed into get premium option. You can see why join premium there. You can see the benefits of premium account. Simply tap on get premium and choose your plan, and once you choose your plan here, you'll be able to add the payment method and make the payment. And once you make the payment, you can head into the album that you want to download songs from, and you'll get the download option there with the album. You can download it. So this way you can download from Spotify or you can get Spotify Premium. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.